Are you struggling to find right art class for your child? It means you don't know how to validate right art class for your child. Let me help you with this for few steps. Number one, you should find what area your child is having interest in the art. Okay, if suppose if your child is keep drawing a lot of characters like anime characters, manga characters, cartoon characters, more and more, it means your child is having more interested on character sketching areas. Like example, or maybe if your child is keep drawing more painting works, watercoloring, this all the things, maybe your child is having on the traditional art area interest. So how to find this? You can see a couple of sketches or a couple of works what your child is doing. Collect 5 to 10 works, then you will find what area the child is doing it work. Okay, that's one. The second one is you need to find a right teacher or right mentor or right coach or right institutes. You need to go and meet the person who is going to teach your child. You need to see that particular teacher work, how well the person is doing, how great the work is looks like. Okay, that's one. Second one, you need to ask them free demo class. So you and your child can able to attend the demo class to see and understand and feel whether the teaching method is right for your child or not. First of all, your child is getting comfortable to learn in that way and that art or not. As I said, it's a journey. Okay, when you're learning, especially in the art, the learning time also should be very fun and same time should be very interesting. This shouldn't be in other way. Okay, that is the second step. The third one is you should check whether that particular area is teaching basic, intermediate, advanced and very pro level. This all the level is there or not. Okay, why? Because the person is teaching in different levels. The person definitely know every single step more depth. So it is more advantage for the children to understand, to focus one step in one time. This learning will become a more easy. Okay, that's second. The third one, you need to understand what is the fees and what is the duration average for to learn this particular skills. So you need to check for 3 to 4 institute service, 2, 3, 4 different place, understand what duration they're taking to teach and same time what is the fees they're charging it and all the things. Some people will charge more, some people will charge less. Nothing wrong about it. Only your point is just collect all the information. So the more information you'll collect, you'll get to know more clarity on that. To learn this art, some particular skills, it's take time. If you go for step by step, also it takes some time. But once you learn it, after that you will start creating beautiful artworks. Got it? Then the next step is very important. Don't validate or don't select or reject because of online class or offline class. Okay, that's not going to harm anything. You are not going to miss anything because of choosing online or otherwise because of choosing offline. Nothing is not going to affect. Everything works very well. So far you select, so far you will understand your child interesting area, so far you select the right art courses. Definitely the child can able to learn anything from anywhere. So you don't stop anything, you don't avoid anything. The next step is you must take action to help your child to start move on this particular directions. Okay, I'm Prabhu Subramanian. I'm founder of Artupskill online sketching school. I'll teach character sketching mastery course for children's age 10 and above. I am offering 45 minutes to 1 hour free demo class which is focused more on character sketching foundation skills, method and the process and all the things. If your child keeps draw more anime and manga characters or more cartoon characters, more into the character sketching areas, then don't miss this demo class. Click the link below and join my free 1 hour character sketching mastery course demo class. I'll see you there.